Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to feed your big bag quails. Open sesame, let me in, my quails. Nope, we don't need that. Proceed to the birds if you're gonna feed them. Open door. Hello guys, I'm here. Look at that crusty place. First remove anything that's up there you don't want to. Kill your birds, don't you? 2 years later. Get the food. Today Ima be broke because of them and they eat like casa. These big bag are now wanting food just because when I was not here they ate nothing. If you have any baby quails, then exact bird formula is recommended. I'm not even putting anything yet and they are trying to stand on it. Get out.
Get out! Get out!
Trying to get the food. Please stop trying to eat there. It's nothing. Bro, I'm not done. There is nothing. Are you trying to starve yourself? Guys, please get out. I'm not done yet. There is no food. Wait, I'll get the food. It's real quick. Hello, here is your food. But first, I have to put the other food away first. Putting the bag on floor so I can scoop the food. Scooping the food. Get out, please. Shoo. Lol, I'm not having a good time because you ate all of the food like a vacuum cleaner. Ew. Why are you coming to me? I'm not done help. Can I have time to finish, please? Bro, really? That's it, I'm done. Get out, I'm not finished. Let me feel your food. Do I have peace for myself or the birds? I have absolutely no idea what to say here for no absolutely reason. They having a feast already, because they starving even though I give them food. Almost done. They came here because they are big bags. Also, don't forget the water. Y'all chill, you guys are crazy. Let me open it. This damn lid wouldn't open. Bro, sister, stop playing with the quails. Gotta focus on the camera. Finally. Getting the water jug. Drink it. Put the lid back on so the birds won't be wet. Put it in the original spot. Now just hang out with the birds. Wow, they eating. Hello, stupid birds. This is the end of video. Bye, guys.